Hello everyone. Are you ready for the ultimate showdown? SCHD versus JEPI. These two dividend titans are battling for your investment dollars. Which one will emerge victorious? Today we'll dive deep into both options. We'll explore their features, benefits, and drawbacks. By the end, you'll know which fits your investment style best. Thanks for tuning in, viewers. If you're finding this content valuable, there's so much more to come, filled with even more amazing tips, tricks, and inspiration. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay connected with us and never miss out. And while you're at it, drop a comment below and share this video with your friends. Let's start with SCHD. This ETF allows investors to tap into regular income streams while benefiting from the stability of established firms. It aims to provide a sustainable source of dividends that can enhance an investor's portfolio over time, reinforcing the importance of continuous investment in reliable income-generating assets. Investing in this ETF opens up avenues for reliable income through dividends, paving the way for a robust financial future. This ETF empowers investors significantly. Choosing the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF offers a pragmatic approach to achieving financial growth, transforming aspirations into tangible results, and ensuring a secure and prosperous future for investors. Companies with solid foundations are highly prioritized. They are crucial. Focusing on companies with strong fundamentals not only ensures robustness in investment strategies, but also fosters sustainability and long-term growth potential. This approach is essential for navigating the complexities of the financial landscape successfully. Now let's compare JEPI. JEPI offers investors a unique opportunity to gain income while participating in equity markets. JEPI not only provides an innovative approach to achieving financial growth, but also ensures that investors can enjoy a steady stream of income, making it a compelling choice for those looking to balance risk and reward in their portfolios. The strategy implemented encompasses a diverse approach to financial growth. The investment approach includes selling options. This multifaceted strategy allows for potential income generation and risk mitigation, offering a balance to the inherent volatility of equity investments. By utilizing both equities and options, the approach aims for consistent returns in fluctuating market conditions. This strategy generates additional income. Both are great, but they target different investor needs. Next, let's talk about dividends. In comparison to many traditional investments, SCHD stands out for its robust return, attracting investors. In 2022, SCHD boasted a remarkable yield of 3.5%, making it an appealing option for those seeking steady income amidst fluctuating markets. This competitive yield not only reflects its strong performance, but also underscores the potential for growth within SCHD, demonstrating its value as a long-term investment choice. Conversely, JEPI provides investors with the advantage of stable returns each month. JEPI ensures reliable earnings. With a steady yield and a focus on long-term growth, JEPI stands out as a robust investment option, catering to both seasoned investors and those seeking a dependable income stream in changing market conditions. Now, how about historical performance? The investment potential appears stronger than ever. The future looks promising. As SCHD continues to demonstrate its value, investors can feel confident in their decisions, knowing that this trajectory of appreciation may lead to further opportunities for growth and success in their financial journeys. Over the last 5 years, its annualized return is impressive at around 19%. JEPI's strategic focus on options trading provides investors with a unique approach, allowing them to reap benefits even in volatile markets while securing steady gains over time. JEPI's resilience is evident. JEPI stands as a testament to the advantage of innovative investment strategies, showing that with the right approach, challenges can be turned into opportunities, ultimately benefiting investors and fortifying their financial futures. So what's the key difference? SCHD focuses on long-term investments. CDHD emphasizes growth. SCHD's strategic approach solidifies its commitment to capital appreciation, making it a robust option for investors seeking sustainable growth opportunities while navigating the ever-changing market landscape. Investing with SCHD promises a path toward financial prosperity and valuable returns, while JEPI emphasizes reliable earning potential for investors. JEPI stands out as a robust investment option, expertly balancing the pursuit of stable returns with a commitment to generating consistent income for its stakeholders, all while navigating the complexities of market dynamics. Investors need to figure out which aligns with their goals. For a relatable example, think about choosing a car. Do you want a sports car for speed? Or a family SUV for utility? Your investment goals dictate your choice. Now let's summarize. SCHD is about growth and strong dividends. JEPI delivers consistent monthly income through options. It's essential to evaluate your priorities carefully. Consider your options wisely. Ultimately, making the right financial choice can significantly impact your future, guiding you toward the fulfillment of your goals while ensuring stability and growth. Your decisions today lay the groundwork for a prosperous tomorrow, so choose with both care and foresight. As you navigate the complexities of finance, remember to continually educate yourself, seek new experiences, and expand your understanding of wealth-building strategies. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide invaluable insights and guidance tailored to your unique circumstances. Embrace the journey of financial growth with an open mind and allow yourself to adapt as the landscape changes, ensuring a secure and prosperous future. If you learned something valuable today, consider subscribing to the channel. Like this video and share it with others. Investing together fosters deeper understanding and shared success. As a community, we grow. In the realm of investing, collaboration not only enhances knowledge but also builds trust among individuals. As we exchange ideas and experiences, our collective wisdom paves the way for smarter decisions and prosperous outcomes, reinforcing the belief that together, we achieve more. Thanks for watching. Don't miss our next episode for more investment insights. See you in the next video.